Hi, my name is Makayla Griffin, and I will be reading a piece from Daddy's Girl.
Look at you. My little girl, back from saving the world.
Look at you. You look great, Dad.
You didn't get my letters, did you?
You're like buff.
I tried to call, but it was impossible.
No, seriously, 9 months ago you were older and wider and shorter?
Honey, I have news. It's going to be an all of a sudden kind of thing, and I didn't want it to be an all of a sudden thing. But you're here, and I have to tell you, so here goes.
It's the boots. Are you a boot guy now?
I'm thinking quick, like a Band-Aid's the way to go.
Do you have product in your hair? And do you have more hair?
I met a woman. She's here, now, upstairs. She's responsible for the boots and the hair, and I love her.
A woman? Here? Now? A woman here now who you love?
We're about to watch Die Hard.
What kind of middle-aged woman watches Die Hard?
A really cool young one?
Young? What do you mean? How young?
Not that young. Kinda young. Well, kinda your age.
My age? What's her name?
Holly Smith.
Holly Smith? The same Holly Smith who went to Madison and was on the track team with me? That Holly Smith?
Great. So you've met. Now we can skip the awkward get to know you phase.